Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about cooling systems. Wow, look at all the stuff we have on the table here that actually have to do with cooling systems and why it's so important to keep your cooling system in good working order. There's just two things you need to do regularly to keep your cooling system in good working order, which can help prevent an overheat on a vehicle. Number one is replace the coolant. If you have extended life coolant, 3 years, 50,000 miles is what we recommend at the West Automotive Group. If you have regular green ethylene glycol coolant, 2 years or 24,000 miles. While you're at it, make sure and replace the thermostat at that same time, as it's a mechanical device that regulates the temperature of your vehicle. This device is to stick, the vehicle could overheat immediately. Some other items to keep a good eye on though are hoses that can fail over time. Usually they'll last about 100,000 miles. Radiator cooling fans, checking them, make sure they're working is pretty much all you can do. When you flush the coolant, keeping the radiators from plugging up on regular service prevents overheating also. Just make sure and have your cooling system checked by a qualified technician at a quality facility on a regular basis. Will prevent overheats on your vehicle and also prevent expensive repairs. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.